Welcome to Core Concept Academy. Today, we are learning fractions. Let's understand them clearly and step by step. What is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. For example, 1 over 2, 3 over 5, 7 over 9. Each of these represents a part of something complete. Every fraction has two parts. The top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. There are three main types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions, defined by the relationship between the numerator and denominator. Other types include unit fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, and equivalent fractions, bringing the total to 7 commonly recognized types used to represent parts of a whole. Let's understand them one by one. A proper fraction has a smaller numerator than denominator. This means the value is always less than 1. Examples include 1 over 2, 3 over 5, 4 over 9. An improper fraction has a numerator greater than or equal to the denominator. This means the value is always greater than or equal to 1. Examples are 5 over 3, 7 over 4, 9 over 9. A mixed fraction combines a whole number and a fraction. For example, 2 and 1/2, 3 and 1/4, 5 and 3/4. It represents a number greater than 1. A unit fraction has 1 as the numerator. Examples are 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 9. A unit fraction always represents one equal part. Like fractions have the same denominator. For example, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5. Because the denominators are the same, they are easier to compare or add. Unlike fractions have different denominators. For example, 1 over 3, 1 over 5, 7 over 6. Since the denominators are different, we cannot directly add them. Equivalent fractions look different, but they represent the same value. For example, 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4. It is also equal to 6 over 12. Even though the numbers are different, the value remains the same. Some fractions can be simplified. For example, 4 over 8. Both numbers, 4 and 8, can be divided by 4. When we divide the top and bottom by 4, we get 1 over 2. This is called simplifying a fraction. Now it's time for some practice questions. Question number 1. Which are improper fractions? Pause here. Take a moment to think. Now let's check the answer. The correct answers are 9 over 4 and 5 over 3. Both have numerators greater than denominators. Question number 2. Which fraction is equivalent to 2 over 3? Pause here. Take a moment to think. Now let's check the answer. The correct answer is 4 over 6. Both represent the same value. Question number 3. Which of these simplifies to a unit fraction? Pause here. Take a moment to think. Now let's check the answer. 6 over 18 simplifies to 1 over 3, which is a unit fraction. To fully master fractions, continue learning related topics like converting mixed and improper fractions, simplifying fractions step by step, adding and subtracting fractions, multiplying fractions, and dividing fractions, or browse the channel for your desired one. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Core Concept Academy, where math and science become clear, simple and logical. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.